Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your hotel collection diffuser suddenly seems to burn through fragrance oil much faster than expected, it can feel upsetting, especially when refills disappear sooner than normal. Sometimes the hotel collection diffuser fills the room with strong scent but uses too much oil quickly, while other times people notice the bottle level dropping unusually fast without understanding why. A situation like this can happen because of high intensity settings, longer run schedules, placement issues, or airflow conditions that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many hotel collection diffuser oil consumption problems can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix a hotel collection diffuser using oil too fast. Try these. Step 1. Check fragrance settings on the hotel collection diffuser if scent intensity feels stronger than expected. Step 2. Lower mist strength on the hotel collection diffuser to help reduce oil usage gradually. Step 3. Review timer or schedule settings on the hotel collection diffuser if runtime feels too long. Step 4. Reposition the hotel collection diffuser away from strong airflow that may spread scent too quickly. Step 5. Inspect the hotel collection diffuser for leaks near tubing or the oil bottle connection. Step 6. Test the hotel collection diffuser again and confirm fragrance oil lasts more normally.